one reason we don't play at world class in business is we are too frightened to think differently from the crowd. To have the results only 5% of people in business have, we must have the guts to do what only 5% of the population does. That is leadership.
Today's pitch is different. It's corporate, but at the same time it's life. It's personal, but at the same time it covers many dimensions. And of course it's not me to say anything about Robin, because Robin Sharma is the author of the #1 bestseller, The Leader Who Had No Title. What we decided to do today is to go through a workshop which will be very interactive. So guys, let's welcome Robin Sharma.